Customers want to keep their promises to their customers. This means they expect high levels of performance from the electronics we supply and a transparent process. VDL TBP Electronics has adapted the entire assembly process to these needs, and supply chain management plays an important role. Thanks to our intensive partnerships with our preferred suppliers, we have access to the required components at the right time. But it's also about confidence, about transparency. This is why every component on our PCBAs is 100% traceable. As an extra service, we offer our customers the customer portal to request quotations, view available components, exchange data securely, and view their order status and stocks in real time. In Watts, you can see detailed test results and reports online in real time.